Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. I am Sri Lakshmi, your English teacher. Children, today we are going to learn a simple and interesting topic. Okay, that is step by step process. Okay, children, step by step process. So, what is step by step process? What does it mean? Okay, so let me ask you before going into the topic. Um, After coming to class, daily you will go to school, right? So after coming to class, in the first hour, whatever the subject might be, suppose say for example it is English, okay? So when the teacher comes to your class, what she will do immediately after coming to the class? She will take the attendance, okay? Next, she will start the lesson, okay? So whenever the teacher is going to tell about the lesson, that means when she is going to start the lesson, she will say some introduction, she will ask you some questions regarding the lesson and all. That means she is telling something. So if you are not sitting in the class attentively, that means if you are not paying attention towards her lesson, whatever she is going to say, is it possible when if she asks you a question to answer you, to give the answer for you? No, because you are not at all listening to her lesson, right? So obviously you will not be able to say any answer towards her questions, right? So for that, if you are should be ready to give the answer for her questions, for that what you have to do, you have to listen, right children? So whatever the teacher is telling, listening, listening. So you have to listen whatever the teacher is telling when the teacher come to your class, okay? Next, after listening to that the subject, okay, suppose if you are listening to her class interestingly, then only you can speak whatever she asks you, you can say. That means you can speak. That means speaking. This is also kind of a skill, okay? It will be possible only when you listen to her subject, okay? After that, if you are able to speak, then only you can read. That means reading will be possible only when you can speak about that subject, okay? So she is telling something, she is suppose she is starting the lesson, Ganga comes down, okay? She is telling about the lesson. You will be able to say the answers only when you can listen to the lesson, right? So for that you have to listen whatever she says, you have to listen. After that, when it will be possible, speaking will be possible only when you can listen to the questions, right? Lesson. So then only speaking will be possible. When it will be possible reading, wherever she asks you, you can read the lesson only when you can speak about that lesson. That means reading should be possible only when you can speak about the lesson. This is the third one. Next one, writing. Whatever she asks you the questions, you will be able to write the answers only when you can read the lesson. That means listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are interlinked. What are all these? These are all step by step. Okay? Step by step. These are all the process. That means everything, whatever the thing might be, everything will be depending on step by step process only. Whether it is academics, whether it is playing, whether it is writing, whether it is cooking, whatever whether it is washing clothes, whether it is cleaning the rooms, all things will be coming under step by step process only. Okay, so this is the example that I am telling you about the step by step process. Okay, so if it is in classroom, first you have to listen to the lesson, then you will be able to speak to the lesson, then you will be reading about the lesson, then if they give you question and answers, then only you will be writing the able to write the question and answers, right? So this is the step by step process. This is one example for step by step process. Today in that step by step process we will learn about something, one example. We will take one example and what are the steps in that we will learn. Okay, so today I am going to tell you about email, creating email ID. Okay, creating email ID. ID means identification. Okay, so creating email ID. We will learn about creating email ID. Okay, now tell me, what is an email? First tell me. This is an online. If you want to communicate to any person in the world, you can communicate through email. It is an online online communicating system. This one is email. For that you need an ID. If you want to communicate, suppose if any of your uncles or relatives are staying abroad, okay, you want to communicate with them, how you will be? All time it is not possible to communicate on phone, right? So you can either send a message through WhatsApp, or else if you want to communicate a lot, that means if you want to say something elaborately, so you can communicate through the email also. That will be the use of the email. That means you can communicate to the person wherever he stays, wherever he resides. Okay, so for that we need an email. To send an email we need an identity address. Okay, identification address. So today we are going to learn about creating an email ID. So there are several types of emails. So for example, Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, okay, etc. etc. What are all these? You need an email ID. If you have an email ID in that account, you can communicate through that. That means Gmail. For example, if we take Gmail, okay, Gmail. What is this Gmail? This is Google account. G means Google. Okay, Google Mail. This is called Google Mail. Okay, so if we create an email in Google, we can communicate through Gmail. Okay, this one is Gmail. Okay, Google Mail. Okay, so to create an email ID, what we have to do first? We will go to the online, create Google and type searching for create an Gmail ID. Okay, how to create Gmail ID? Then you will be getting a page. Okay, you will be getting a page. Okay, in that page first it will ask for your first name. First name, that is the given name. For example, if my name now my name is Sri Lakshmi, right? That is my first name. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, that is my first name. So next it will ask for surname or last name. What is that surname or last name? My surname is, okay, last name also you can say. Sometimes some accounts it says last name also. Okay, last name N. My surname is N. So we have to give that, fill that box with the first name. Whatever your name might be, your name will come, first name will come, your own name will come in the first name and your surname will come in the surname box. Okay, then it will ask for date of birth. Okay, date of birth. First it asks for date. Okay, so you have to give your date. Next it asks for month. Okay, and next it asks for date, so you have to fill all these columns. Okay, so it will take for creating an email you need to have at least 17 years. Okay, so that's why I am telling as an example only. Okay, so after 2005 only, after 2005, who are born after 2005, they are only eligible to create an email ID. Okay, so it will give you will give the year in this column. Next it will ask for phone number. Okay, phone number. So some your parents will have the phone numbers, contact numbers. You can give the contact number there. Next it will ask for your gender. That means whether you are male or female. You have to check this one. You have to write about the gender here. Okay, next it will ask for password. So if you create an email ID, definitely you need to give a password. So whatever the password you want to give, you can give it. Some for example @ some name and @ or else 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that also. Password should be at least 6 characters. Okay, so it will ask for the password. Then it will ask for the country. It will ask for the country. That means which country you are belonging to. We belong to India, right? So we will give here India. So next it creates an email ID with the password. That means whatever the first name you have given, that will be the your email ID. Email ID. Okay, it creates with your first name only. So whatever the name you can give your password, username. Okay, so it creates with your, suppose I gave the first name as Sri Lakshmi, so it creates it takes your first name as your username. For example, if you want to create any something else, you can change it here, username. Whatever the after country, it will ask for the username. Okay, so whatever you want to create with whatever name you want to create, you can give here. Okay, for example, I want to create Sri. Okay, so it takes your Sri as the username here. So you are already given the password. So after this country, it will ask for username. Then it creates your, if you give the username, it creates your email ID. Like if suppose I have given Sri14 here, so it creates Sri14 @gmail.com. Okay, so it creates your mail ID here. That means it creates, because this Sri14 is the username I have given, and it creates a password. That means whatever the password you will give, it creates with that password 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is, this is your Gmail, because you are creating in Google account. Okay, if it is Yahoo, if you want to create an Yahoo mail, then you have to go to the page Yahoo. Okay, then you can create there. Or else if you want to create Hotmail, you can go to the Hotmail page and create your email ID there. Okay, so that is it creates whatever the page you open, Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo mail, it comes here after the @. That means you are creating Gmail account, so it is coming at Gmail. If you create Hotmail, @Hotmail will come here. If you create any other account, Yahoo mail, it comes as @yahoomail.com. Okay, so this is the process. What are all these? These are step by step process to create an email. Okay, for example, if you want to make tea. Okay, for example, if you want to make a tea, for that you need a vessel, right? Sorry, for that you need a vessel first, okay, or else utensil, okay. So next, you need some tea powder, okay. Next, sugar, right? Milk, stove, okay, spoon. So to create, to make a tea, what you need? You need a vessel or utensil, tea powder, sugar, milk, stove, spoon. Okay. So if you have all these, will the tea make itself? Will the tea create itself? No, you have to do some process, right? That is step by step process. First you have to put the vessel, you have to pour the milk, whatever the milk you want with the quantity. You want to pour the milk in that utensil. Then you need to switch on the stove. Then you keep the vessel there on the stove and let it be boiled for some time. After that you need to add tea powder and you need to add sugar, okay, with according to the quantity. Then after boil, let it be leave for 5 minutes, let it be boiled for some time. After that you need to stir it, okay. You need a tumbler or glass, okay, tumbler. And you need a what is this, we will filter. You need a filter also, right? So you need after the tea became boiled for something, after the tea boiled for some time, you need to switch off the stove and filter it into the tumbler, and you need to serve it, right? So for making a tea, it is a simple a simple thing only, but the tea will not be made by itself. We need to do some process to make the tea, okay. After making the tea, will it be the process will be ended, but we need to serve it, right? So all these things are step by step process only, okay. So whether you need to create an email, whether you need to make a tea, or else whether you need to cook anything, whether you need to wash the clothes. For example, if you want to wash the clothes, okay, your mother is going to wash the clothes. What she will do? First, she will put all the clothes into the washing machine, right? Then she will give the detergent powder, okay. She will use the detergent powder in the place which is provided for the powder in the washing machine, okay. Then she will switch on the electricity switch, okay. She will switch on that, okay. Then she needs to set up the time, okay, and she need to switch on it, right, okay, the power button. After that timing will be set, okay. Then she will be switching on the process button, right, play pause button. So if she wants to wash the clothes, then also the one step by step process will be there. So this is all simply about step by step process. Whatever the thing might be you need to do, there will be always some step by step process. That means whether you want to learn in the class, whether you want to make a tea, whether you want to cook something, whether you want to make a Maggie, whether you want to wash the clothes, whether your mother needs to mop the floor, whatever the things might be, there always will be some step by step process. According to that only we will do that. So I hope you all will understand whatever I said, okay. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye.